Right, kiure gratulate tukiora kierwa etururia ithira nukwatanira no gambi nende bo Kirimara kwithira kikiatokana kwithira nende kwina Mount Kenya East na Mount Kenya West kwithira gito Hillary Kundwas ariwa we are one nation one people hao ni tumbo anaongelelea kwa for what yet Kindiki has been replaced by Waiguru. Okay, Getimene Moses Mongera ariwa yes, Mau bin Mau ariwa yes, I concur with the people from Mount Kenya East watch ipasuke. Peter Tush, why just for for personal interest? Okay. Again, Harriet, in fact, it's a pity to those leaders who are supporting this narrative. Even Wakawaroko should apologize to the Marians before anything else. Kiongozi, mtukueoro, tutedire tukiona speaker akiwa openly, kanana uchamba, bunene, buraku kareka, but Yoro ni untu arambere kwithira akiwa outrightly au awache ipasuke ikiatuke ni interest chiakie kana ni interest chia Mount Kenya East kana ni interest chia Mumeru ni interest ire ko chioto maua kirema ikiatokane.
Thank you ibwega lwaria ro narrative jojo ya Mount Kenya East narrative pushito muno ni waziri roko na I think waziri roko biria thithetie ijora tuthithagia WhatsApp group re kwena murano ukathithia ka WhatsApp group ka secretariat na ndiro kuno admin wa secretariat group kau na no kona te rukwake warete akuthithia akwaria nyamuthomi njuke naririe nya watonyiwe admin watharakanire na admin omeru ikathuri murungi no ratonyereko kwa hiyo kuonania exactly the three regions kana three counties ichitonyete ke WhatsApp group iriko karwaria karia ikakuthurania kura na to charity begins at home ikarwaria gakuga atiri twithuranire tumenyora tumaritie mwana wetu. Let it not be taken on that contest na twituje 2032 tutumba kungania kura twinka. Exactly. The all narrative iruga atiri o jora orokara baronere ngukuno iumarete karia kureka aria indi kaminyare kare kiankara. So that narrative niyo tukuga atiri Mount Kenya East itwaranirie ikenda tumba gwikia mwana wetu kugi Professor Kithure Kindiki. Bere ma voting as a block unio the narrative atongere beto bagupush. Na nuije kurerero manani ria inabugiria. Batwe tukarega kumara tuigeka Professor Kithure Kindiki na tonania at least nara umite na gwati back nyuma. Na gwati at least na supporters. That is the Rakanidi Embu na Miru. Tukarega kumara tuika that region na voting block nanto numbers count kinyo ome tutiendwa. Na thaijuju kiongozi ukija kuonora gukarakite atongire bagukirakira rero kwa kira nandi nuronere nya bwana Gachagua na araugire atiri mwana ora natigano no professor natigano no akiuga unathithitie damage already na already no kwigwera ria Waiguru iri utonyo na replace Kindiki batu turiuga atiri this time round kuma 1963 batu tutura tu supporterete Mount Kenya West yantu bao twa support mzee Jomo Kenyatta twa support Kibaki twa support Uhuru igitari tuthira tu one mountain indi batu thai twakinyira gitikie minya kibati kuthura ki rotation kada ki Mount Kenya West kikeja Mount Kenya East na tutoikire make kimwe indi na batu kindogo kiongozi batu Mount Kenya East utro twajikia mwana wetu tujikia tuga uju no kinyirwa boba kunywa Ude maitaja tu. Webo ba kure kudi maitaja.
But Remwesh, yes. Nonto if that's genuine, yes. 2013 nonto butawa tutenenkera Mount Kenya West atoirete Mount Kenya East. Imbi ike which is bigger? Deputy president kana president? You see that ibi bo karia wapurenda ikugania bo karia tikia deputy president.
Ikyo to kuona ikyo ikauma 2032 ikyo ikauma president. Katukuga atiri ute murano dote rurasio rwetu 2027 murano 2032 nandi buke yotura ira mwano wetu 2027 na nandi bibi tukuria atiri Mount Kenya West teka bwina candidate thai uri akwe gukinyirwa ni ngoru uri akwe na ngoru I Professor Kithure Kindiki na nkuire kiongozi twithirwa tuthithite makosa manene muno gukenya kwithirwa Tharaka Nithi, Embu na Meru tutumara tukwete Professor Kindiki gitiki gikwendwa muno igukwendwa Western gikwendwa igukwendwa Coast gikwendwa utwe muntu uti ukienda but the backup in fact I'm too much worried na nturi Ori Mount Kenya West East ya umara na Kindiki kinya no kona mtu Gachagua akiaria turenda kumuromba na turombe nya kuruba miru ne kurunambi kana Gachagua nete arombo thoni yerwa atiri kiongozi batu turakuririe na nona ntukwana nya bakiuga nandi Mount Kenya West East ba kungana nya twitu gitura tuna gataito getu tikugora teka tukurana giku in fact tugore nene ko ni atubetu atukuga atiri just support one of us ikende nya tuna tutu support for some time with robuna leadership na gitegia power taitu tumba kuga kindike na power to hamijike 2032 ili yote kya kumenya nande at least we have the presidency
sure gekundi mugira kiongozi akwithira akiwa onto babata au athai it's about Mount Kenya West kuieka Mount Kenya East lakini onto abethira bakiromba uthoni no vera twatimbaru kaba kwa twitane kirima I mean karoterero ku advocate for the division ruremi kwelenka kana convince Mount Kenya is you see kwina options sawa twitane muntu ete akura chiaki na kwina option ya tupo support ete na bubu to support are they threatening Mount Kenya West kana
political support ni anto kwenda u support na leadership ira to ni nya Mount Kenya East and especially Meru kura cha 2022 is a disappointment ODM right kia being part of government it in form of a party ODM ni kwenda this seat ati we munjaluo muluya kana mbiki amake ODM batu to anjireria turai arithmetic direct not even a party to kwareria na Kathuri Murongez ni rafiki yangu sana rokonte muichi ni te muchoro kwa tutume aku muchoro kwa turachamani Kathuri muichi boya Kathuri Murongez abati kwithira nya ko resign onende ala paena ruku nete no to Kathuri re kind deputy speaker of Mount Kenya East
ari no Kenya
deputy speaker of Kenya aroko kai minister Mount Kenya East minister mbere so rokore musiasa he left elective politics appointed to serve Kenyans then all of no go move public service no go area Mount Kenya East no, those people should have resigned like yesterday they on the to advocate non to kendeke actions chia wicho chibati go there chi prove ke there to ba support but one people have lost touch na dirigare ko patina ngweni ono to borongo na incompetence okera ate mtomero ate kendeke mwana totoira mathiko na yangambe nara rwanda rotigania na embe na njereburi okera antoba mero kendeke mwana ate kwena murinji promise miaka na miaka o amwira ate kwena constituency ke dirigare itona kilomita la mi complete ate ekathira o amwira ate TTIs na tumete yakaru maruare weno komanya tumete population 80,000 to 3,000 non to capitation era girida tini ra chiare chia rito hukuma icheritero o avera ate arimo professionals bakao nikendreke ate kethe thirikare ikuo capitation che chuguru ite kinyenya marando na bia koreba te komba komanage nambi ke governance so kendreke actions chia wichi chibati otomanto ba mwenda yabora ona kibake ko ebyo byo otomanto ba mwenda kendreke needs to go to the drawing board not the number of times that he comes to Meru but the impact iranto ba wikwa eko ye ke power to enio and Kendeke is a principal assistant to the president not just any other name William Ruto are deputy Uhuru Kenyatta Rift Valley ko are na Isaac Ruto baraba pingana no eba kiwa Isaac Ruto are nya principal ke nasa but because of the ability get engine we finally they did not count in the ballot no Ruto are na kainya so
ko position ni uraigwa na mtu mete
so bonko anda kuwa ako anda kuwa antoba Kindiki kana Kindiki wengwa na antoba he needs to call his people to order kwanza ndauga Kathuri na Ruko babati ko resign no ntoba kwa division. They are talking about division. Na domenya ko hithiro we deputy speaker Kenya okay divide antu east na west. Na domenya ko hithiro Ruko woro amreta public service. Well, you expected kuandika muntu onyere na mbina kurwamira muntu okaratina no Kiambu na no kuwa east na west. So bere kiongozi aria Porankuwa Mount Kenya East na West, Kindiki is shooting himself on the foot.
Sawa.
Nonto, for him to have any say in this political arithmetic, he requires as much numbers as possible. Kiongozi umeta Nyaki West. Because no Nyaki West. Ate mnyaku Nyaki West tokwenda kwa mubunge akenda yeteke mubunge antabantima pato support. Raimu no Mumbai angai New Delhi. Your conversation is neither here or there. It's about the political impact.
The only problem, my brother Nkona, ni waja uju igintu kimwe. Kakuliru atiri, Kinyakathia Kathuri ni deputy speaker. Au meet the mayor. Now when the mayor is threatened, when Mount Kenya East is threatened, where are they? Babati Kutrabe, the first instant he could defend Yara umete.
But no, I think Kiongozi Manisha Kaduri is a politician.
He's a politician. Nairazima
na au kuria kura cha senator ateto churia Nyanza.
Kageto churia
Nyanza. Ari churia Meru. Ko the question na Mugireke yari why do you think Kaduri na rambiririe yabura kiongozi au WhatsApp group eru riroko mto muthomi ari au Kaduri ari au
antaba itonyoni tokori mware. No mwanka boni Kindiki ba ngoini. Toka ya weta level.
Are you sure Kindiki is
toka ya weta level? Toka ya weta level in any other arithmetic non to ato mendenduce. Kathuri amenya kuwa no Southiment and Southiment ba to na kina. Akinya Southiment ya choka ntorene. Come on, imana nyanje so meta na sare ya to kwira twinde. We only need leaders who work for the people. People impact ya leadership. Ete ko makani na umete. If you want to create origin of government na structure thirikari, the origin la sana thirikari yare, we send our freedoms to one person or a group of people to have order and social justice. Ikadre tona kai nyoka dra umete ko. You need to go
Kinya democracy kiongozi ni wera the rule of the people by the people for the people. Batu anaba betu bakona inya mbere ma ni urumo wetu. And let me no urumo wetu kwari ribubu bwana Imana. Turiuga atiri igitari mwe jadai jojo to face it ni challenge batwe Mount Kenya East tore akwino tongeria kana tore akwina presidency 2032 itokwenda itegia president badu tore ori atiri kinya batu pinga nabo babati kuona katha kwingu githirikari ikuthithia bore gwita tore ori atiri for once itokwenda support ya kuona munya asupportete Kindiki itokwenda kuona support Rinturi asupportete Kindiki support ye governor wetu Mutuma na Kathuri ikuja on board. So nikina tutukwenda kugo na ntobongwa guto wao ukwenda gitikia president na bo inya principles bo bange bao gwatombo tiga batu tukienda gitikia president kana tuna Kindiki aja de unandepo kumara go turetra narrative chia tubange we won't allow that.
Kiongozi ontobo kwenda boke propose sorry to speak but imbende the numbers. Mero in the numbers darakanithi well iriau embu iriau kure ure ni kwa na kupinga Mount Kenya West
na ndipo kere mantu anamba nuri kana darakanithi tethetie Mount Kenya tethetie Kibaki
no statistically
nuri kana igitari batu tena
twenda factual
na the statistics tuliuga 3 it does not matter where you come from lalo itha juju kankwenda kwenda inyenture lalo yongo etumbo mukurukia batu tuliuga 3 for now let us groom our house irasima nto bayere ano irasima nto menyomba bagwatanirite tesa sawa what they are doing is housekeeping.
Okay.
That is what Roko is doing. Okay. That is what Kaduri is doing. That is what Mutuma is doing.
And that is what Kirima is not doing.
And that is why we are here in confrontation with my brother Nanto na Muntonge ukudharia nyombe iliko yetu Nanto le tuliuka atiri for now kinyoke edro wiki itene byanga bana bya senator bya MCA rombe ni biu ende adojo iguru au tukuga mantu wa presidency to support Kindiki
the
na the house should be first of all united nyomba no kurikana ampuge kaka na I respect our brothers and sisters from Mount Kenya West kinya kaije kanini bauga njamba yitu ibeka na ira indi turi aja no kuona umwe waziri utwaete giti kia agriculture akigita professor maguru unge na iginya giti kia waziri wa agriculture egitonge maguru na ndire ndi uri atiri bwi bware merwe na bwachoka nturene na nturene inya bwochoka ri kwina ndakaja mutuma kuna ndakaja kathuri ugwa gwekwa kwa thai kiongozi wi ndakenja neke and congratulations no kuringa campaign bwega indo keja kwithirwa raro yangu kwira gintu kia uma ugwo riuga akuru bara ibachoke na bangaratania ba mutuma bangaratania bakathuri kinya to chuge tuwe mutungai na choke nande you see that is it
kidogo mugera wechoke bo nkendombera ri Mount Kenya East na numbers chiako assuming bedra isasa otuithana Kindiki ai Mount Kenya East Mount Kenya West na operate nyawe okwithira kwa nyaka ikanini ba wa inchambeto do you think mugera we have Mount Kenya East has the numbers to face Mount Kenya West?
Kiambu agi 1 point something. So we have no numbers check propagate divisions as one people who have been in a common agenda. They find common footing to the kisiasa to the reckless.
Kento kira tuatura tu kompo ya bangi na tutuna numbers
kento kira manda support that way conviction na ability. Somebody doesn't have to support Phineas non to noko menye Phineas. You must see the ability. Okay, ya kwa ilia impeachment ira yaendelea ya the former deputy president Rigathi Gachagua. One of his undoings kanabira kile allegation ira Kadhuri Murungi ira ringa ira yes is shareholding statement. Ate Gachagua na uwe thirikari ni shareholders. What happened to Kadhuri na jireri shareholding ring double speak. I mean if we have to look at the siasa moving forward, siasa cha Kenya ichi about issues because imana Mwai Kibaki aiko wa president umeta Nyeri. By the way, Nyeri is one of the smallest counties compared to Kiambu, compared even the numbers compared to Meru, but the people want to be the character in the person of Kibaki. Iria aombako ya kareta CDF nyeke the opposition areas yote the area twana toita chukuru. Irio barabara hii mitambo ya onda miro ya reko thire itaramo iro tomeonere. Iro titi ya itona, irio expansion ya universities ya. So it's not about rietore muntu kana na umete. It's about conviction. It's about conviction. Era yo tomambi muntu wa supporto. Na vira bio tora terra. Ankorie. Siasa re.
Kwa kwenda uchoke.
Let me inform you bwana Mugira kidogo information
Andiri tu kwa wapi?
Information weta parliament ukera honorable member we information ko etairoka informed. Angwenda mu inform atiri. Atumba kwa go compare Professor Abraham Kithure Kindiki na Gachagua ki ability atiumba buru na Antonio mono tuko na muthenya uri professor of law indake kwendo ne antu kunde na professor I'm telling you the truth I muntu very calm na inyawe ngo na kwendo kungi kunde.
Do you mean Mugera cannot perform onto atena doctorate?
Teka andaigwa akienda kuga atiri
ability not compare kate kuthigirete to compare na Gachagua
aliuga ability ya mutongeria iwe ngo mbati ochiende nambi professor na chiendie ti atukuga tuna able candidate bakugurwa ni ndiguru yo yonde na in fact temero aki so inyare bo kwambiria kuga ati mekerere kuringwa ala Mount Kenya West ire marumi ira tio leadership. Now we cannot buy noise na ntubwa kwa ntubwa na substance what is between someone's ears. Yeah,
what we are saying the perceived substance kana perceived ability imana to rikora to oka kuthira Kindiki our deputy president. Imana in your constituency, Tigania West. You have no kilometer lamne ndeke ewaka for those years to na deputy president. Imana I've told you about TTI ziko dira within Meru. Na to na deputy president. I'm not comparing to mo compare na Gachagua or any other person. ankuria irisonire kwa yombe giotoma tukathia atakende kibatu tu inya tu manto ba Mount Kenya East inya to teri two if I'm a politician a politician organizes his politics around parties for numbers for you house to be known party agende generico if I want to buy mo support if we had a candidate na ability to kuromba kura cha deputy president na binabi for me to help him akivai na which party he is in UDA
which is the ruling party.
UDA is
Gachagua was in UDA.
That is why he went home. Imbibika irinya kendrekaita. That's why Ruto okay kwa ile tabia chia he takes ODM seriously because of the party. We want to repeat a mistake that our brother did. Nko dhani wonto ba weta bakarura party nya uko weta na party ya na ariko. Kendekire uwe kiongozi no kina ro aminya ki West. Akaro mari independent candidate are UDA are and then
maybe I can
so what I'm saying but Mount Kenya is the way to integrate naturally
mugira ngochokia nini 2013 utipate na I mean moving forward party inyaga Gachagua atare party
but ibu onto
kiongozi kidogo
don't you think na kuibangania thira ina party iki
are ome kidogo yalla net lesson 2013 when William Ruto came are na URP
yeah
Kenyatta are na TNA in the second
2017
kaya Ruto ka ombe ka kuingarira nani be yakwata na Raila leta kengeka but
let me say this
numbers
let me say this
ato na muntu na pate wakura
tekonda kuringe tuma mono but impen I'm a psychologist in the daktari na inkuona my brother na problem he has just locked himself na ntoegi kiama ya PNU which is a disaster by the way na ntori the united opposition muria candidate yo waronere kuringana or cloud yani you cannot
but you lost
terribly barara kuranga ifoto wan kana irari itiko itakinya nya 2 digit atuge you lost terribly so kwena bia mabimu ikabe nyo go independent do you know you are making a lot of inya value in fact kwa inya kya makirea akibati okuria ukugwetanirwa wakyo uwo wengwa witite ngugi nyingi muno na ara maturene na kaiwe nya karwembo kawe nchamba no thithite bwega muno nyorora kuinirite karwembo na mbinire gakwa nandi uwo witite ngugi nyingi muno so don't lock yourself on kakunegi tarebia makweja bikeja yes koko ndombira ibia maybe je tarebia matuteka ida idrikare gutangugi the ruling party reto UDA nyo ina manifesto nyo to ku deliver
party ni ri kuthai party re ukona e powerful kana ina riri
sorry kabantu bakwenda twithurangi mthai mostly mwije biama kiama gikaringa campaign gikachinda gitita uchaguzi bila bingi so na no kuona thai itukuthithio chore na ANC ne Cameron Bond ODM ne Cameron Bond kwa something else is cropping by 2027 2027 we are coming up with something else utebe bitikarika but that does not make a point ya kugenjeka tu inyaka dai to briefcase parties to birio to ago chikumiria no to corrupt to kadide ke makia Mount Kenya East to komara kyo
PNU na yare ke ba ke mwesh
because
we made a briefcase
gakwenda kuria atiri me arendo kurekia make mumiru igiku mi muntu mumiru ni kumwelewa angondo muri nya PNU uwo uge yare kibaki ko mumiru ingwitikia kiama ke mumiru ivi kai muno ne amiru but nandi nyate kiama ki we need kiama na tukwenda kidro kina force na kidro kina weed na kidro kina support nene ikenda
Kimara what I'm saying Imana you know he's preempting big raman to in my mouth. I'm saying political structure equivalent kindikethira na automatic following. You see ya patera kwa fulani na rurite ni find footing in the region na tiwete batu west ka east. Nongota pate PNU yako weta as his structures will find footing in Meru and as a strong leader who will rally behind. Nongota muntu okia kuwira na boka msilindi muntu no nto mwere kidogo bwana Martin kiongozi pota muntu please we need a political structure which comes with a party that goes into coalitions with other parties. That is why Duare Bungoma Wetangula is a speaker. Neki amakia gitare akura china kereke na meru toringe da gura Kirimana. Amazon King your pa is speaker of Senate. Neki amakia are akake written agreement. Today ODM yara kia spatina so no kono buru nyi mugoro ate ko meagua. Ai watari to power to Ruero. No to political arithmetic parties. Na numbers that doesn't have to mention tribes.
Yeah.
That is the
wanaimana
my point is the strength of political powers for an election. Secondly, nankediria our conversation about individuals should be about issues. Issues. What is the state of our education as at Atori? What is the state of our security? In by election and we are moving on like nothing is happening. What is the situation of security at the muntu no aure imana. Imana no andika something mutandao no kaura and as a country we are okay. Candidates barato kwa ilia bingo ability. Why are people we wanna mtayasifuna aria? People feel like he can be some president, he can be some deputy president because through the Senate Akiara genam issues irara irrekereantu. Nakaraya mutongori omba witate. Why do people talk about somebody like Matiang, even people who are not from Kisii iko mtu na wetaweta Matiang? The track record. Kile education nambi.
Na security,
So Kura cha 2027 is about issues because even if Kendeke is your own brother kana your own what kotena security education ikodoka afya ina problem. I went in some hospital somewhere. Ibon tunyare I need to call my friend Kadhuri Muronge Tuonda in Meru ko noko tena ndawa cha special needs and to buy epilepsy. Ndawa ile cha 15 daily. Was in a bar in Canterbury. There is nothing like that in a dispensary. In your constituency you have people who are disabilities, different forms of disabilities, 80,000. But is in Senate we are rima ntawita na kerem.
Sure. Kiongozi na wencho kereure. Okay to that interjection. Deputy President wa Ndegura Kenya Professor Abraham Kithure Kindiki no mwiki ramno. How safe is he taking into consideration that etikiakie otiwa tugumeria mata Waiguru na kuetwa Wanga na kuetwa Mombasa coast ba kwendeteke. How safe is he taking into consideration inyata aringerwe kura even anything gashagwa? Secondly, atina kiama kirombe kya kwithira kiwa abunge ba kwa bare arabunge na kiama ke bankari bowita na kirema. How safe are you that inyagiteke bokethira bokene nkairo ke 2027?
Mogi yauma nyuma une umumero uga
nduno are ochinda
no are gochinda na kuchinda na kuona kura i mantu angai.
Sure.
Na my brother ndenda kumwira utongeria buchinja gukira kwithirwa tena karami nale kumya kada mutunga na 100% utone nyangogi yo mupingira. So that is why we need uro ukuregia president wengo na ugire na nengirete ajumbe mbecha chia kuthithia rami na unambi na gwaka chukuru je kugira kiongozi ko na system ire ibatere gwitango imwe awariria mantu andawa kiongozi let me say this nindari assembly je chairman wa health and Meru County Assembly imbene ogaruru kubonene muno and leadership ya gavana Mutuma na uwe kiongozi ndi sibitari chienu especially ja ruterero rwa miathene wite na hospitali uone the kind of renovations irithithitwe na ndawa ira chekeri nanto inkurikana batutwe assembly nyambene ward itare ya middle ward lakini thaiji ibarugurite middle ward through gavana Mutuma muntu neka iro tigeni nanto bwiki opposition nanto bukonde tikiangavana kura mwana onge uroriku na ukiaria uu igwe bakiaria uu thikira gocha kidogo ukiaria uu ibugurite curtain ya 7 million na ibukwenda kuja kairi kugura curtain ya 7 million na ititeithia mwananchi.
Kiongozi, do you
Gintu
mean
kira
Governor
kwenda
Mutuma is
kuthithia
a
atiri
saint?
not saint ankuga atiri kiongozi through Governor Mutuma's ela the hiju to kwariria level 6 hospital ira ijite ajojo dene mero
Now do we switch from
na you allege that you tena ndawa imwe preps.
what I was saying
and let me finish
Aimaanisha atire.
Unkwararia mandu
Aimaanisha
Senate.
your boss Kaduri.
Should be in Senate.
Dugatire.
Kwararia bills ya
Niona
yuzu.
ndiri these things mea you need to know where this money ire kureta ndawa iju from to the county chuma from the checker. No kuongere no leta mbechi u I senator eja na mbecha akanengera Mutuma agendereria guchitithia ngugi na Kathuri Murungi kiongozi is one of the best senators. One of the best senators we have in Kenya called Kenya. The country called Kenya. Niki Senator Kathuri Murungi no na radicate division of revenue bill. No uronere bararetere more than 420 billion then counties itongerwa mbecha kairitikie gitarira bakathuri Murungi. Kathuri Murungi wengwa ena bill nyingi irathithite ndene ya Senate. Wengwa mtu kumite roterero mira ena mira bill ena cancer bill igo kwarire mantu ja cancer. Wengwa na deputy governors bill no kwigwa na ndi watega ki legislative arm inyama senator ya twari najo mbere itware azeni tongi ondewe ruterero egembe inya twana turi akiandikite ndene office ini utuko na muthenya by the way kwe atongerie pamwe batinya kwa Christian because turaba test tukuonora bagwita.
Okay, gikundi mugira kwithira offer an advice to the deputy president through kiongozi kwithira ina kiama but wente wetike wenda ku betray muntu. Don't you think President Ruto akona ya betrayal because you are my deputy? No ntokubwithia kiama. Are you trying koko area kwela kindege inyaweri nyene kana?
Me I will not interrupt an opponent making mistakes because nithirikare kanya kwanza yonde. I'm not pro it.
Sure.
I absolutely ankori yare I campaign it daily non tontorene. Their job is wait elephants. Water iguito akathoko 1 billion kakona mon 1 billion. I don't know whether it's a stadium can I be to aka to what expense when a government to a political class ikamatamba in bags 10 million. In your constituency your member of parliament will move around in handouts at spend million ye komi riwe ya rambe ne chukuru atomana ngiri komi. Kana ite kimachia rato ari ato mane ngirima na ile rewewe munene operastato CEO akortangiri tu yana o anga afa anga inambe chikuma. This is not the country that we want. We want a country where systems work imana meritocracy.
So why are you telling the deputy president kwithira ina party to be safe?
So for me to have a party you have your people. The deputy president former deputy president ora iko kachagwa impicha wa na nyawa ngwana uwa he had no numbers, political power, ability ya numbers. Chia parliament. Parliament is about political party, because they angry in a certain line. Kawira Mwangaza, or a governor among challenge officer, with an independent candidate. Shift of power. When 2022 Ruto Acho Akura, part of the people who helped him ko campaign. Ni antobara umpete ko banka baidra ba winyewe. Agwena Kirima ariwa manto Kirima waturana na ambi they all speaking from different ends of the mouth. Kwena Kathuri kwena wange wentenda kwaria manto yantu. But the actions of the deputy president and his friends itio mutatheria kwa deputy president
non Kenya 2027 Kawira ingironto bakiama. I mean the rest baba ariachi amavi ba rikakiatam. Does it mean Kawira kwithira atina kiama was a danger by its own?
That is why she went and looked for a party, UMP. Because her party, your members, you have no numbers. It was controlled by UDA, BAS, PNU. Na is a vivera.
But okay, nyakwa ilia munyi nyawe na PNU atari kitari kiama kiake back then.
2013 na ukumere ambas.
Do you mean every position
in one of Akuma America Republicans, if you want to win the support of political support, you must have a party. ANC na mkonto we season na South Africa iwata na Iraq and China numbers. Potebu you are weak clean, I want to kendekea that wenjoka. Akaria ororanga remero maite komi.
Kiongozi ndina kioria ukichokia bogu. No kingpin of Mount Kenya region yetu ridai.
Mount Kenya thai juju yonde ore kali thai etongeretwo ni Deputy President Professor Abraham.
Then if that's the case, why is Roko the one being more vocal on separate Kirima? Does it mean Roko is more powerful than the president politically? Because Kidira, sorry to interrupt, Kidira Deputy President nwethira mustari nombere kuwa Kirima ikigaura no. Roko kai powerful nyankurukia kathuri wethirite isi azene follow.
Kwirire atiri na my brother inkuona okapotea 2027 kiama kau gakui kakaka briefcase party 2027 ikethirwo na vyama biire kwire my brother tukethirwa twiro terero either one term kana wikethirwa wi two term bibio as much as you are saying coalition, but the proponents baraba kethirwa bene inya na kiama bira bikethirwa bene inya kiongozi.
Do you mean chama bikamerwa?
Bieko bibi nyaki wa kwaleria
na well, tell us no pewe kameru
ndakwira atiri
no pewe kameru mweshi
kiongozi kathano onere 2027 uria 2022 ura gwakarire na ibo kurikana tukiwe nyambasi yetu kamerwa tukauga byama bikamerwa bibiama byaringaniro kana tuthithia kiama kia UDA byaringaniro byama nkurukie 27
no kuigwa byaringaniro
nkurukie more than 27
UDA kiondwa kiongozi UDA kiondwa. I don't know why you want to force a narrative in the opposition. You also remember in Azimio we under coalition of parties. Why payare na party
nikumwira atiri
opposition doesn't have to behave like Kenya Kwanza.
Akandipendi mono na kuga kiama kiawe tutamenya fitie kiama kiawe kathage kethirwa ki one of the kiama kira gikamerwa na byama bimwe kiongozi omba kwethirwa kithuganagia kiama kiu hinya ibienu go and ask who is the owner of that party ro kwariria thai kingi kiongozi.
Are you sure UDA nende kaomba kwithira ikimeria byama bibi nini? Are you sure? We na confidence.
Confidence already
na kona bura olkalau bura karekire. We na confidence ukiongozi ati.
People are looking at this issue.
Kiongozi ndendo buchokeria atiri 2022 iko mbali 2027 iko mbali thaiji ikurira tugwitira ngugi cia 2022 nicho tugwitithia na inya kiama kira kiri o ruling party na UDA by 2027 ikinya ukethirwa kwina another formation na the willing bara tugetaniria about 2027 bara pakeja tukwalite na byama bimeru bimwe. That is a given. Na inya no raigwa kwa United Opposition kuna linda mwananchi yejete unless byama bira bikethirwa bi two giants ijuki kethirwa chichindana imwe rutere ruru rwa opposition na ruru ngirwa ruling the ruling party. So ntekumenya nara my brother agwita Professor Abraham Kindiki nanto already thai na kiama kiawe kigwitwa UDA which is the ruling party. Of course na ndika thanwe he is the deputy party leader
kuno tu Gachagua engiro kiama kiaki
of course Gachagua engiro ithina ciawe
wetekiria
domestic animosity
wetekiria UDA yonere uchamba neweta yochinda by election ya Kiamba mungoreta Kawanjiku iro yombere kwithira ikiona uchamba na yenderwa. Do you think the same narrative ni kwa drone kuma KDCP taking into account mpumichi olkalau na nyedhere bachinderwa mbere north batachinderwa majini nene? Do you think obo ku insist ichama biele bigeda byuko 2027? Do you think DCP is one of the parties?
Darua Gachagua aliria ugatiri urio tiringa takiama kia DCP uyo ni andui wa mlima ikuga atia ki other parties irabe na choki roterero opposition nweki meka na no kuga birabyo nde byakarika jari madharau baratu thithaire na ntukindike na jikirwe ki deputy president ira it is a vote of protest and I'm telling you this nantu
okay
kiongozi dikira nkwire
And those sentiments icho cia ritoro nyumdo cio ku Senator Kathuri arawiri matharau
give the devil its due time no kumianiki kaba kumenya ba behave like the way they behaved the other day ikuonania nande noe okuga Mount Kenya na noe tukathingata. But that is not the narrative that Mount Kenya kathingata Mount Kenya East tukabai. Already but we usually support them tutina candidate wikite nyuma na ananda na rira bareta candidate ba tunengera candidate bakauga kathei Kenyatta tuhamu support tutita other side issues. Side issues chia mheshimiwa Gachagua tulimwera atiri is not a presidential candidate. Thai batu tuna presidential candidate gwitwa Kindiki urawira ni mate Ruto. So atibati kwithira na utuonia matharau na ntu ere protest na ntu no ingirwe kiamene kana no umire we no umire deputy na ndio ugwe urari your people kuonania dissatisfaction. Mount Kenya ije ni eringire Ruto kura. Ne uringira Ruto kura.
Gekundi taking into account mpumichia Olkalau na actually Gachagua ataitero campaign no na maybe Kindiki ataitero nto maybe na menya abo kumpiga kumira, but the margin was too big. Do you think the nya PNU yeku na nya UDA, do you think the other parties ichibatere kwithira ikiambira iria kuthimira nende DCP? And again tukweruare the former deputy president Nawire turekanina Kindiki mwanetu aumba kwingwake yana. Do you think Kindiki nabatire kwithira akirelax?
I want to kwe kiongozi wa kura ira antu Paul Kalau baringa against Kindiki. That is not true. Reason being otemenya rekwe number election in a month's time iro wegira stima ire kingi bikoneka iro PS yo stima ko yo nangari chererek iro ko ya matrix en blue iro ko ratara ko ira to bieta wata yu iro ko ya netaro iro ko ya ngare monkey iro ko yo parent gas.
People are not foolish. Was that wise?
Let me
yes or no?
Maendeleo troja tubati kuija kiongozi.
Maendeleo ira to na gas.
You see
kiongozi I think
okay Karen Gekundi Karen
kumakura chiko thira kiongozi no abichira ntako tamania owerwa owe an election in 1 month's time, all that form of tokenism. People are not foolish. Imana, people are not foolish. Ibana ndato iga stima itoreite. Ibana barabara iji arimo jira nyinya kuinyo na maraita kuingia no ntobakura baba kumbabi te. That is what Kenya thinks. Na kere election ya karere Jama na Kawanjiku, that election was even close. Era ya that time. Era ewo weta ne satara presidency 2022. It was close. It was not even about the candidates by MP. Ibo want to bathira na William Samoei Ruto. It is not only in Mount Kenya. Even when you go to Kisii, by elections that were in Kisii, irachi arenyachi ante kanda yante kabisa irachi arenyachi Jubilee.
How was that helping us na
so
Mount Kenya East? Yeah, no.
Tanping is good. Is na conversation
minute kare hiki.
Wonkuwa an election, a major election or any other election cannot be won from division or separating people. Today we listen to Sifuna saying, sisi kama Linda Mwananchi tutaenda tuongee na Kalonzo, tuongee na fulani tuketi. Gachagua pia anasema huyu Kalonzo ni kasini yetu, huyu Matiang'i ni rafiki yetu. But
do you remember?
But the initial stage ya Gachagua iko amba kuonda kiama kyao. Twa Meru initial stage iko onda kiama kira kiguo ko Meru kathi ya PNU kawira mwangaza no kona na kyao mashinani. So that when we form this government ya unity eucho athirikari, what do we get in return as a people? How many kilometers of tarmac do we get? What opportunities do we get? Like bongo kwira pa in anania Senate speaker. PNU, we are in opposition, we deliver this and we were part of this journey. We write, what will we get? imbi tukaona in terms of development, imbi tukaona in terms of appointments. Isi hiyo bana tukaona.
Kiongozi,
So unity.
Do you think as PNU you have a long way to go on to nyapo tena presidential candidate?
No, since we are in opposition, we are in the united opposition. That is a statement, and we are talking. Even to safari na turare na Matiang, who is part of the united opposition, and his united opposition will give out one candidate. Even to rana Gachagua, aita na Kalonzo na Ariku.
How united is the
na barada ya candidate
kidogo, how united is the united opposition na tukiona Kinyake imechema niyo ya munene wa kiama kia kuu lentori ate daira iko, lakini are united opposition.
When you know, in democracy, when you are planning your party, you build your party. You build your party before you go to the table. When Kibaki na Baraila ya amoe, it was months to the election.
Tikiria mbugi atiri kiongozi.
Kiongozi. Kareke.
You see,
no ninko iro time ya tu ni but kareke.
So,
ndege mu.
Brankuwa inya Kibaki 2002 pake ya amoe, it was a coalition of parties later. Muntu akayana strength yao yawe. If your friend who is supporting the deputy president and a party that is strong, we know in a Kadhur, going down, Canada there is a party that they push a narrative. No, to you ndiye nediriko. They will have a pedigree, a combo support this person. So what I'm saying,
PNU,
we cannot build a winning team in division. Not today, not tomorrow. Because politics is about numbers. Na siasa ito ata 2027 kediria is about issues. Saindira already ni ku address issues cha mwananchi.
Anto baba kiongozi kintu kira kinavyo o tukuga ni madharau. Na anto joko na nya PNU igikia candidate kethro no alkalao kwina narrative barenda go sell bauga atiri Ruto na thirimbi Mount Kenya. Na reba kuthiria Ruto mono bakwenda kuthiria i professor Kithure Kindiki nweba kwenda kuonania that dene ya Mount Kenya atena usawishi atena no kuigwa and the thing is I candidate wetu 2027 na 2032 nweba kwenda kura irariko au na karigara mono kiuga inya prondere angaiturari na candidate ndio tereru au kena brother kill a brother to take
there's no one who is killing the other about conviction and ability
the nya conviction and ability
brother killing a brother
didn't kukeja kwithirwa at least kukeja kwithirwa PNU ni kugwirirwa riria at least kindi kya kuthirwa power na kuthirwa inya ruterero mountain, then we have a problem. That's why ukona inyaro kuna na kathuri bakiumara bakauga no we are here batu tuiku na tuina twongere na nko baromba. This is the clarion call I'm calling for all the readers kuma bakiretu murungi kuma mheshimiwa ngavana Mutuma na kathuri murungi na ruko na muthomi njuki na state ribalile. It is the high time you stamp authority. Candidate to know what to Professor Kithure Kindiki. It is the high time to ambire na dekorari all the people to put our house in order. Ikenana yetu mbagweta kuromba udhoni na bai kubo bangi.
It is like that. At about stamp authority na Kindiki wengwara wire Kirima Kikatongwa we remain united. Kwa ndabeta against the deputy president.
Politics, I'm talking of politician. Ura ni administrative. Ndiromba wanasiasa barabaringiri kura
so kunyawe na batere kure karwa
professor nendre ndewu nantu itokumere presidency, lakini I'm talking about ki wanasiasa papa bangi baringiri kura tubanenkerete kura ibakalie. It will be very long and history, and it will go down in history and to the book of Chronicles. Kukeja kwithwa batu twina candidate uri akwina ngwaru anenkerwa giti batu tukara ku support twetera opposition our brothers bekira the dream then we won't go far na tuterekerwa ne amiru ndiuga atiri ngienda kuthiria kiongozi ndiuga atiri dai iga take more than 100 years tukiona candidate ja Professor Kithure Kindiki twarega kugwatanira na kugwatanira guko tukuga tari kugwatanira guko. In fact people have taken that narrative bodhuku people you are putting our house in order. Na kiongozi, if we want to come up with a block no kumea numbers count in an election, ni una ntukathuri akwariria miru, ni una ntumuthomi njore kya akwariria na sesle badira akwariria na u na rukwa akwaria atukwegeria at least kuthiri opposition jaba ukona bena briefcase party ojo nwanga ipa secretary unge anganu yani nja ikani manto janje nyaki ukingia akwariria kya angai kya o ngoma ngabana hivi anja the thing is biama bibi okuona abi otethia mundu kura kiroto kia professor Kithure Kindiki.
Okay, gikundi bugira.
That is it.
Does the deputy president have the numbers? Chiokuwa kirima turita mwerekera yu kana turita yu Kindiki na the numbers.
He has none. He has none. In Meru, all key political figures that are following, paraba no iweta maku ni opposition bari. Na ukienda komenya
hiyo madhara tukwariria
kidogo ntewe
mweshi nyawe okuinya kauli pia nyumno.
sawa that is what baba.
All the serious politicians ni opposition bari. Number 2,
not all the serious inya the government in to serious mweshi.
All serious politicians who are following are in opposition.
Kumana haru atiko ikinya we serious.
There are some we cannot consider serious going by the numbers.
Yeah.
My politician is not just being a politician, but the following that you enjoy from the people. Can the people die with you? Can the people walk with you? Professor Kindiki okaile kinya MPs. Ntonkorere in Meru tukwethira twina problem for some time kuma 2022. Na rukoibu ntana ondasitirainio. When impeachment yanjereria kuya. Urathoma statement on behalf of Mount Kenya East. I first time MP from Bere. Not even Meru that had voted 400,000. Iruku. No athoma no abutabange no onda. When the impeachment came, ekuinga Kachagua. People who helped Kindiki ascend to power, most of them were in Mount Kenya West. Like Mani Chungo, you were leader Mount. These MPs were very these MPs from Mount Kenya West, Nababangi, Nabaon DM. It is that unit that delivered Kindiki Omoe, the deputy president. So when he talks about Kuadrananto, his goose is cooked. No and go
because
alternatively,
he has no point.
No.
But alternatively, au kugatiri kiongozi au aria au gutena serious candidate politician.
No, we will respond. You will have your time.
Okay, respond kidogo. We have all the time.
You have the time.
Okay.
The other thing, I want to go otemenya ko form winability otemenya ko idra okay win okay divide anto. The other thing, kura itoita because Olkalau are shown that the Mount Kenya Brigade Kenya Kwanza is done.
But Moshoka on Tombere.
It is started and Nambere now Nakewa escalate. Nambere, even the struggle for government with all people who are in government, ministers there, and they managed Nanuchi Boko Kari police machinery, 400 votes or something of there about. It was telling you government is struggling. Na kere election yetu ata omuntu kocho akura chia wadro mujumbe kocho achiaku wadro MCA kocho achiaku. Na if that statement could be made in Olkalau, it tells you the fate of the government is sealed in this region. Sure. So 2027, William Ruto being the politician he has been, he must be looking for new friends. Kindiki knows
even the deputy president.
It is part of the arithmetic.
Wana Phineas yankurikara mutongerio ojo akiuga kuti serious politician ubakite rutero rwa Kindiki na inya wengo na kumenya ki rutero rwa thirikari kana barabe kutha iji bare bati serious injabari na ntu kwinyo bau bonde okwariria ukuga beki opposition their bateka benje kwenda I weakness. In fact, one in ministry,
so anybody who is not in government is not serious.
Not only serious,
including yourself.
Including
yourself. You cannot underrate opposition. You cannot underrate opposition. You cannot underrate
Peter Munya. Ndendo mwira atiri kiongozi ni mpenda gutia atongeria. You cannot say mtu ulingiri kura more than 300,000 ja Senator Kadhuri Muronge is not a serious politician.
So you mean Kawiro Chindakoki is not a serious politician?
It is in fact ni unfortunate wigitikia governor kuremwa kugwatanira na MCA 45 in every ward na 69 in the whole assembly amona nominated. That is a weakness yetumba kuoneka. It is yani ne wabo kuinya with deputy
we
president.
We can also agree that Mutuma is not a smart politician on to arekere mndozi okiarengwa.
Ari no atukuga pa person me ankwenda monia kinya unge wangirwe deputy president kure mokaria gitikiria kiongozi. We can't even make a mistake again. Na tuinye president ura aka inya kulisa no alisa. Yani ena thine nyingi muno. Baba kugira serious politician wojo unge paterindo wa kiongozi twamweterete 2022 kwanza no turetere thine ari agwe pa promise to ngai prime minister angai mbia promise to twetera tumwetera tumunengera kura aura ina ndiri kiongozi
but madhabu yake mboya siasa yake
igwatiro to kugai weakness. They are supposed to review their career.
If it's not a weakness, then the deputy president daina batire kwenda nyawe na kia.
Ndakwira atiri they are supposed to review their career born shortcomings. In fact munya da ijojo kiongozi na nkulikana na mbuge gintuki. Why batu to akulia tongeria ja CS munya achoke Kari County. Muntu urabati kwa thai aromba gitikia president.
So Kaduri having been the deputy speaker nyana batire thai gutwania teke ngemweshi.
Kiongozi and then ndogwira ati don't put once in my mouth. Kaduri turi bagiti this time round. Kuma winya wabati gwita giti kingi.
Nonto akwa wathai.
Na turi constitution ni kwa la at least muntu ete 2 term.
Inyati tu ake for senate.
Senate you can go you can serve as long as Bernie Sanders.
Nandi gitukira kirio kiongozi na kwenda mutongerio te ya tongereke ndo kora kenda inya.
But you know you are taking things out of context. You are following political following. You are following wari wa MCA. They were MCA.
Political forum yo kugira neo urigira nantu po influence ya mutongeria kwithirwa gikiama. Kiama yes it is nindende kiama igikwendeka kiongozi
imana opinion polls
atietera ndiri nkoerekanya
kariki
itumwere kanya naria mantu ja kiama ukaigwa ogwa kiongozi biama ibiejete bibingi na inyaki bure no uthame ugeta gikingi thirikari bandu sisi tunafanya kazi inguge ananchi tukubaitira mantu ja biama biu kwenda antu bedro bena bio professor edro na kiama wije na IBB Kenya yonde tuti atena kimwaka na bire na bitatu. So it is not here not there. Professor nae gwekanya itu support professor kithure kindiki nore akwina ngoru anenkero mubira jojo ahingiri.
Sure. Mbere tetera tukiumaruka au kwikire nkwithirite ngikura kie kiongozi. Na it's the same question kwenda kuria Gikundi kingpin of Mount Kenya. Ntira wa East kana West, Mount Kenya as a whole. No thai.
Election chia 2027 imana. My analysis will be very shocking type of elections. Because people are tired. Any candidate against William Ruto will score big in Mount Kenya because siasa cha Mount Kenya.
Not all lakini mweshi. People want it.
Any candidate against William Ruto supported by most people in opposition in Mount Kenya, if I put it that way. Akaithira aina footing inji anonto. One, majority of the people in Mount Kenya, even the language, they talk about betrayal. Betrayal take withira non to kindikina deputy or William Ruto through the impeachment. The manner in which he became a deputy. You remember Korea era a deputy from the one go. In the manner in which he became the deputy. The behavior of William Ruto in this government, narera campaigner, when he comes here, his story na promise. He goes with some development in some other regions. So if you are a brilliant politician, you can do some analysis. You can see nyakiri na William Ruto na rekete kona ko ikothuki na olkalo ne moya omuira kotebui. That's why you can see the most immediate mchamane are Bungoma. He has started changing his voice at na narambe kyo cho achore nangi. So kingpin of Mount Kenya
No.
is a coalition of people.
Kindiki be
Na
one of them.
na like toya kethe ya Meru kiri opposition, which is the same language against government. Where muntu hata wapita mwenye PNU, you cannot underrate politically. It is proven before. Is against government. Where Mithika Lento Race, who was part of that government, is against that government. Where Kawira Mwangasa, who has his own constituencies, where Yakachagora impeach. So the effort against government in Mount Kenya will give government trouble.
Gekundi Nkorio, do you think Kindiki ina energy politically ya control anto barabara ya Adahim I mean inye MPs akiba Mount Kenya is because ruko almostari nombere kwa Kirima iki atokane senator wa county ya Meru Kadhuri Murungi, who is a ampo politically smart onto nuko na tikuria tikia governor kiongozi watu iranite na nauete na akiuria, lakini again okailia mtu ya MP wa Imenti Central Kirimangoshine okailia ringi utogiro kya makidipi Peter Ndobai urakinya kwendete okiroko enda kya Tigania West iba wite Kirima kikathuranwa. Do you think the deputy president kana tuero kwende onto tutukomia who is nuri kwa rihuru yonge in terms of politics but kumbo control, because we would expect bura kindekya kawa with rebuinye MPs bange ba follow if really no kwenda numbers
that tells you political power Kindiki. If people can contradict him, if Kindiki can say that the mountain is one and people continue to contradicting him in his support. You remember Raila Odinga age yakuwa Tuesday. Nongwata. William Ruto na team wewe tiko meina kiongozi wa fight na last time. KUDA age yakuwa kotama line mbia ne thokira ndo ba wewe tata. Yeah. It tells you Kindiki has no grip of his soldiers. Kaba ko more tu ba muregia ita.
Na Kadhuri Murungi is a respected politician in Meru. Yes. New speaker kare mu control kana kwarandia na MPs ba Meru. You see mbere we yo toira twadurana Kirima, I would expect personally as a Mumeru, not a politician nor anything, ngi expect Kadhuri edira na rate na MPs ba Meru. Nyaba tingi muno actually. Abera bagure tweteiro but tuko ruare Kirimangoshine in Imenti Central awere, I mean it doesn't end up separate Kirima. Kakadhuri atena numbers nyawe kana ka utingwa taniro yake na MPs ba Meru mwesh.
For the first time in history na you'll bear me witness president yako ija bolerure aele Meru ajumbe ba Meru maxi nyingi mono. Now for the first time
because they support him.
For the first time nimekuja Meru na sijasikia kelele. Wakati nilikuwa hapa kelele ilikuwa juu ya miti.
Well, kwerenge nyawete aliungete immediately after mutumaye kwa power na mukatha mno.
KUGITANA Atea. Kituma kira kya Meru ikithiri. Ajumbe senator na MCA no the other day, and I thank our speaker so much, Ayubu Bundi, nanto he has really put the house in order. Ajumbe barede na kanywa kamwe. They did a statement. Na baugabo ajumbe 69. Baugabo bali support
60.
Sister bare their sister.
Ajumbe 69 to abaitirare
to teko meandera bari. Ajumbe sister you 80% to 90%. Bauga ibago support dirikali na kwena okiri na and I have to really thank His Excellency the Governor mutumana ntobako idroa for now ni ra tukulingidwe tumani some opposition leaders but na baba tetenjira ba kadikirwa kera Governor mutumana entere na ngugire agwitira Meru na nto mwananchi agateka ngugi na mwananchi onande wajingo wameisha Kenya. Wananchi onande na kuona uro kudeliver na uro kubalingithia tuma as much as to kwenda kuonania thirikari tena support base kama antu ka bakiri nantu ingugine bali igita ria kuringa campaign o mujumbe akonania ngugira itite MCA akonania ngugira itite na baba nabo bejite na promise twabathimira na nintenda kuringa tuma muno nantu imbije nindrona kura na ndragia kura imbije mwana inchi no bakire no rabe ije nantu mero especially ni roterero rwetu roimenti bakeja kumeria gantu ibamereria ba register bakamenya. But what I'm telling my people is this. Tokuonwa example. Orokala oria ba mwire about 90%, 90.98%. Tuga this time round. Kende heshima mo mirori heshimika Mount Kenya East. Kura chietu chigete kabune kimwe. Itukuromba inyaba beki opposition. Na ntubonde ni ana betu bwa tanjira. Kangu kwithiurunke nawire na rekara ikara indi menyara at least itataga mayai.
Okay.
Kinya mwana wetu itumwendete muno. Na inkumrombera na inya kabisa inya waichumia na uone kathea akona
opponent kio mwen mrengo na yenu
mrengo na joto.
By actually
competition is held. Bungagi ana betu be compete within nantu nyani kiongozi ndreitu etenantu bambecha antu beja ba dije bora kweka ukuka kwendwa nandi antu ibakureka ukuka how to eat money and vote wisely nandi ukuka iko inyani konde nyano dimentie gora na antu ba nyaki west nyaba bakagura ikenda at least tudoma I agree we need issue based politics na I agree we need mutongeria ajitume na itere antu nguge no na nyoro komba gwita nguge, but at the same time batu to kwenda kudimis kelele at least to avert kelele ikenda geteka ja kwangaratania nguge chietu governor Mutuma endelea gwitira mero nguge itukuona nguge chiaku. The other day no rodraneti ya youth ya jojo empowerment ya football, the first extravaganza ya football dene ya mero itutwira mangavana jama ingi batathithia nguge jera level 5 itukuona ne gwita ne gwakwa kakoromone ire au so ukamakua i chimba chochora ukamakua ne antu bau bangi wenderea na ngugi kathuri murungi ngamuchokire nkatho muno sana senator wetu wa Meru na antu wengwa kinya president na ugire uyu mwanaume nimemvulia kofia niki nari na ability kwa inya governor lakini au ona my brother inande atonya ito twamusupportete nyambene ni bati especially igembe ni bati kura gikundi na naiji inya kawera uma twakanga bana imutuma batu tuliuga atri mutuma nendere seneta uga I will support him na it is kwanza antobeto begembe bwina irandoria seneta na guchokira seneta Kathuri Murungi nkatho nyingi na guoko na ntubo bwatira mwana wenu njara na no kurikana nya 2022 na gwete ongi njara hey mutano ojo nachokerwe guoko ni antu ba Meru na antu atichiendete bill chiawe inoe utopete ndene legislative ndene senate na kitu kingi inya kama Shinani Foundation na thamdite twana nkurukie thai barakinyere more than 300 na mbecha chiawe na chore so networking you ni kwenda if it is working why should you change it?
Perfect.
So bara bejete 2027 bukona road shock mwananchi na kuona ngugi chia tongeria betu na tutie ni atongeria na kinya kadatu na twa twetu briefcase it is okay tu nacho lakini nacho chia tumirwa kura atongeria na bigger vision mchokeria ruko kadho nyingi muno the narrative that you have waziri ruko odhrani anto betu put the house in order nikenda at least toba kudura tuna voting block iwu Meru twari number 4 kwe kuringa kura na tukuringa kura ni una ntu kuona thai tukiro mantu anithi tukiro mantu jaga koromone na tuthi numbers count na PS is betu babo kuona bethirunga rute kantu kana bukona ki national government turetere na sto support project ira chonde chikuthithwa ndene ya Meru ni thirikari na tujau manifesto jetu ijo tutikija.
How approachable is the senator? Mwereni ayoka kithimo chako gikundi maybe miarie kwe muthia
ifakti na ntumire ambire nyawojikie koti je thimo buga gakunengera
gikundi maybe miarie kwe muthia no twire ina indithi kuri waru Tigania West.
Thank you Imana. It is a very good engagement kwaria na Ameru. Oninderera Ameru kura cha 2027 ichia issue based. Kethe mujumbe isheria riko ikia parliament ina oguni ke Mukenya kana asafu masters bawe ya president or the powers above him. Number 2, siasa cha tokenism ira chambecha ito chishani no corners of Meru kenda toithira toina accountable leaders because siasa chambecha na handout na tokenism ichiathu kirienthe. If you are keen na antora na ito achokere arambe na je chukuru che secondary na TTI na bini arambe na tore ende ito achokere ara toumete no to achokere to the government of Kenya no neither responsible enough kwandu gunism totemia kwethira to ina anthe na police ina system ya administration na guns chiki operate anthe na insecurity re woro muno ya na utiani so antobeto 2027 all kalau te magic era statement ya anto from the heart what they feel. People are broke in this town. Biashara ichingerwa. Those who are educating their children, education is becoming expensive day in day out, and administrators in schools are finding it difficult ko banga chukuru no to computation ni aurere bito kama taimbecha na kunia. So 2027 ito ili atongori barabambe kia ko represent anto, and we are not talking about individuals. Ngatoira ngania no eto to eto te kya mwerea
tike munanda.
It is about ability mtuna to ambekio tethi antu ao kanta bwa thei na yaoni kere manto yo ya 2027 oni ndiriterete kotongoria antu batigania West constituency beje chieyete ibore sandaka iboyete kwawa muchie every chande campaign ni akinyira bwa ita iro sandaka erei 2027 tuweke kura vizuri na I think vizuri uonike kundi mugera.
Thank you na Tigania West ndo ndombe kura
ngakoromba my brother tarikania show.
Thank you na ambamberia no wira, thank you very much not only on tobakweya but inkume abwimbe otiwa akuluga iroiwero. So sadly last Monday tone kanyaka kwaya nakalono inkume ibonere bura kwa karirigire ende rwari ndo nakanya ntaya nako kware na muguru omwe ari na mwari ari ankanya muno ende ko ari antaka yenda kura mwari u neta ntiwe ikalawa mudaka etera muguru uni
kalawa BCT
kalawa BCT eta era muguru nkwenda kura mwari oku ntu nari ankanya na kalawa TV ari larui amwira uni kenda kunenkera Mario dendo ndethirie ntiri nyiria yiko mama yo no mugira mwishindo methera nako nuko ntiri ndu na etu chiguo tiri etenyira witonga rithia ntuko yonthe ike ya oro no ikuria omiukumie mama ni kuruma muthaka mwire isa sawa eta rune ne aromba amwira ende runka ya rukire mathaine era maretire otethe rukire ratha kuminketera ndirea mwire isa sawa muthaka ta mwira mukuru ngania nkoira ntiri nkurethiria mwira yukia ntiri ewirwa muthaka na arombete baijikiri amberia kwenga ntiri ende ai baijikiri ne ndatega no ntiri ni ono rwiro athio lonka uthino ataithira ate kuruka na ate wetana ara kwina mwithio imena mo tambarari engete ntiri tiri yukia rwiro rukire themwe thaile tha mwanja tha kenda tha kumi ngambe na chikia na muthaka ni ntiri ende tiri bure noi ke mamire tu no muguru aturo bona ntiri yire nyirinya ni mamire amwira yukia mwari na nyawe ndanga kongela kethira muthie na muguru na menyere ntiri mpara ka thetie kwingoi munwa acha mania no apwira. Thank you very much no tubakwithira bukiona akanya na kwatanira na watu
asante sana
twakwendera utuko bukwe ya mwankira kiumia kiu kingi itawa the Monday perspective ithira bino utuko bukwe ya umbito wa Phineas Imana kana kiana ke miriti
KG.